Welcome. In this quick tip video, we will show you how to remove, modify, and reinstall the stainless steel window guards on a Viking pump. Use a hex head wrench to remove the two guards from the bracket. Once any pump modification is complete, you may need to modify the window guards to accommodate grease zerks, drain lines, or other fittings. To do this, first dry fit the window guard to identify where material needs to be removed. Using heavy metal snips, clip the required segments from the honeycomb design. Be careful and wear hand and eye protection. Once the segments have been removed, dry fit the guard to ensure you have the required access. Finally, use a file to smooth any rough or sharp edges. Reinstall the window guards. Make sure the retaining washer is placed between the guard and bracket faces. To learn more or to watch other service videos, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.